Hi, I'm Mark Walker. We're here at ISE 2020. I'm going to show you some of the new additions to our System X range of mounting solutions. So System X is celebrating its 5th year at ISE this year. It's been a fantastic success for us. We're one of the originators of this sort of truly modular design. We are the original, and frankly our customers thought we're the best. We stock this in all of our global locations, and the beauty of this system is it's entirely modular and entirely stocked. We can create very, very custom solutions on a next day delivery basis. So if you are looking for menu board systems, we can do anything from 2 screens up to 100 screens in one long row, off the shelf. You then got a choice of fixed arms, tilting arms, micro adjustment arms. We even do pop-out solutions if you want to sort of full access displays, and it's fully scalable, so we can go wall mounted single row or multiple row. We then have a range of vertical columns which can go up to 4.2 meters in height if required for freestanding, bolt down or even mobile solutions. You can use portrait screens, landscape screens, and something that's been incredibly popular, particularly in the control room and broadcast space, is curved solutions. So again, from an off-the-shelf stock position, we can do curved video wall displays of any size using this fantastic angle adjuster plate. So all you have to do is get in touch with your BTEC office, tell them the size of your screen, the dimensions if you have them, or we can work it out with the CAD details, and what angle you require. And this angle adjuster plate here, you set to the angle you require. You've got the digits on top there, and you have a setting point along here which tells you exactly where to put the rail at position A, B, C, D. And then everything will just go together exactly as you plan. You've then got micro adjustment points and all the interface arms to get your screens perfectly and seamlessly aligned. There's more information about the System X range and all of our products on our website. It's www.btecavmounts.com.